before we even jump right into this video, yes guys, the next video will be Zombie Rush, I promise. But I ran a voting poll yesterday, and it turns out, strangely enough, a lot of you guys actually like pizza more than all of those foods. But yeah, I really didn't know that. I thought you guys had respect for pancakes, but okay. Dude, it hurt my soul when pancakes was the least voted. Although, to be honest, out of all those foods on that voting poll, I definitely say pizza's my favorite too. Come on, come on, guys. Can we get a rip in the chat for pancakes though? Oh my gosh, the bruh moments. What is this gameplay so far? Also, guys, I figured out how to fix the camera glitching. You just have to edit the eyeball. Thank God for that one. Oh, teammate right here, nice. Alrighty then. Let's see here, I'm gonna go back up. Look around, make sure this area is all clear, you know. Get this nice crate. Half the stuff in here I don't really need though. Yeah, teammate, you can have all this quality loot. Yeah, my weapons are pretty much set. You can have all that, I guess. Alright, moving on. Let's get down this right now. Push into the city. I know my game strategies. Wait, what am I using? Should I? No, we're not gonna go for no scopes this time. We're not gonna do it. My no scopes are too good. It's unfair. Alright, let's see here. I kind of do want to get some lasering in though, because lasering is kind of more fun sometimes than the instant deletion of a no scope. Even though the instant deletion is very satisfying, but the no scopes, they're too good. Alright, teammate, we're sticking together apparently. See, quality teammate shit. What is this? What are these people doing? I'm losing brain. Saw another guy. Where'd the other guy go? I can fly, so he's not beyond my reach. Oh! Barrett, that's mine. That's mine. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. Yo, clutch that guy. Thank you. Kills are mine, sir. Oh, wait, that's my teammate. Never mind. I'm done. Oh god, oh god, oh god. You thought you were slick, sir? Thought you could pull one over on me, sir? Come on. Too fast for you. Alright, bruh moment right now. Don't try to kill my teammates. What's wrong with you, dude? Why do my teammates always have 0% health after being slapped by a vehicle? And why do they do it to specifically always my teammates? Alright, we're 6 kills in. Moving through the landscape. Alright, let's see here. Where are they? Let me get that superb high ground. Let's see this. Hello, hello. Ooh. I hear something. I'm just so blind, I don't see anything. Smashing event. Did I just get a what? Bro, I swear to God, I'm not hacking. I just got a kill somehow. Okay. Ooh, hello, sir. Come here, sir. Very strange indeed. Very strange. I got a kill before that, though. Ooh, hello, sir. Oh, there's another one. I'm gonna get you both. Ooh. Come here, sir. 35 HP gameplay. Give me that. 10 kills. 10 kills. Come on. Oh, GG, dude. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Okay, so that was a 10 kill game. Apparently my teammate died, I think. I don't know. It says my place won. Usually gives me 2 place on the team, like out of the 2, because it's like a lineup thing. Okay. But 10 kill game, that was actually pretty nice. Alright, on into the next one real quick. Alrighty, let's do this. So this time we're jumping at a different spot. I would jump here, but like look at all that instant chaos. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, we're gonna go alien spot for the last time, and then we're gonna go, what's it called? Next time military base, if the plane lines up, because military base does have some really good loot. I gotta look at my old Battle Royale videos and see where I landed, bro, because like I forgot some of the spots since I haven't played this mode in so long. Alright, let's see now. God, what is this? What is this? So unstable. Oh yes. Bruh, if there was fall damage in this, I swear I wouldn't even be alive right now. Sure, who just... Where's that guy? Where'd he go? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hawkmoth, that was sad. Sometimes I don't know what to say. Okay, I just need the good defenses. Just making sure. All right, there you go. All right, there's nothing in there. I think this is the best game mode in the entire game, though. Because Battle Royale is nice. Versus any other game mode like Free Fight and stuff. It's just full of hackers. Oh god. Sir. Why does he keep rendering lagging? And he's gone. That's weird. That render lagging though. I don't know, man. Oh, he's about to die to zone. He's about to get destroyed. Oh god. Oop. Camera fix. Easy. Alright. There is no one to be seen for some strange reason. When you grab the wrong gun, trying to scope it. Yep, I see a guy. Doesn't render. Does it? No, it doesn't. Gotta get closer. God, that's the purpose of sniping. Come on, sir. Get in my render. Thank you. Thank you. How? 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 I'm gonna leave him knocked. Nope. Drone's not kill. Drone's gonna steal my kill. Time to leave. This gameplay is full of too many bruh moments, dude. What is this? Alright, so next time I'm gonna land at the military base and see what's up. It better not be trash. Hopefully my memory does serve me correctly, because I'm pretty sure military base is actually a pretty good spot. Oh wait, can I snag these ninja tabby though? I mean, oh no, they won't let me. They never let you like have the choice of picking it up. They either tell you your defense is better, or they're just like, nah, you're good. You're not getting it. Oh my god. You know what I wish you can do? I wish you can do solo V versus trios, like solo versus trios in this mode. Oh my god, yes. Let me get this. Hello, sir. Bruh moment. Bruh moment. This guy really... you, sir. When you can't pick up, when you can't pick it up. Oh yes, again. Trying to get the Barrett, please. Can I get the Barrett, please? Jesus. Oh my God. Nope. Time to leave. Okay, that's one. Pushing into zone right now. Need the high ground, please. Please. And then I'll be fine. I thought that was a guy. The way that helmet was spinning, I swear. Let me land right here. My dude, what are you doing? I swear, man, this game mode hurts the mind. Oh, wait, we won again. Okay, easy, GG. Oh my God, look at all that damage. That's a lot of damage. Oh my God. Wait a second, why is it almost 200? Oh wait, no, the armor. Okay, I was about to say, doesn't the base player have 100 health? But no, the armor counts too. All right, let's do the other spot this time. All right, where's that military base? To the left. Let's go. Alrighty, let's do this. I think we can make it. Look at the angle. Look at that angle. We look like we're gonna make it perfectly fine. Now, I don't know about the traveling. Yeah, we're good. We're gonna make it. We're fine. Yeah, we're diving in. I love how the camera zooms out as I get closer. And the cinematic. Yes, beautiful. Oh, golden chest right here. Landed it. Oh wow. When you get, oh wait, no, I got a Barrett. I was about to say, oh wow, when you get trash loot from a gold chest. I got a Barrett. What am I talking about? Alright. Land to the ground, please. And I need loot now before I lose any more brain cells. God, there's gonna be that one guy. There's gonna be that one guy that just comes out of nowhere and just deletes me. Yes, my armor. It is so good. Oh wow. When you take damage from that, actually. Like, wow. This spot does have good vehicles though. Let me have the 360 no scoper 9000. Oh, they better let me pick up my Oh, okay. I was about to say, sir, if I don't get to pick up my custom helmet right now. Nope, that sniper is trash. Get that away from me. Nope. We gotta have the OGs. You gotta have the OG OP weapons. Wait, where's that chest? I'm blind. Am I legally blind? Oh wait, no, it's outside. Wait, is it? Hold on. Bruh, this 10 IQ gameplay right now. I'm so blind, I swear. Strength. Wait, is it on top of the thing? Are you serious? It probably is, because Block City Wars is a troll. And my parkour skills, they don't work. Alright, so basically we gotta leave this area now. Before I lose any more brain cells. Should I take a car? Yep, these have a gas level. This car was looking awfully suspicious, that's why I jumped out. Very strange. Fix that camera lag, please. There we go. Oh my god. That's the one problem with Battle Royale now. Camera angle lag. It's literally the only thing. It's so annoying. What the heck? Okay, so I'm catching that on video, as you guys can see. Flying fire trucks, apparently. Let's go. Oh my god. What was that? literally a flying fire truck. Do we not see that right now? The zone is like, you don't need to see this. Move along. No, no, I saw that. I saw that. What the heck? Airdrop? No scoped it. Let me leave this chest real quick though. Thank you for the boots. Sir moment. Oh my god. Destroyed. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Please be a jetpack. Please be a jetpack. Please. Please. And of course there isn't. Oh, but I do get these shots. Garrett. No. The zone. Why? Dude, the military base was actually an OP drop though. The kills. The kills. I like 4 kills straight right on this beach. Should I jump beach next time? Wait a second, are you kidding me? Where was the zone? It's in... Oh, wow, I just won the game. Okay, so apparently everyone died outside the play zone before I could, and I won. Oh, okay. GG, this win streak. Alright, let's go. I think I'll land at the beach this time. Alright, where's the beach at? Where is it? Oh god, it's like halfway across them. Jesus. Should I land here? Probably get a bunch of kills. But I don't know where the loot is. Oh god, this is gonna be the dumbest thing ever. Wait, why is the camera angle so trash? Oh, not again. Alright, let me fix this real quick. There we go. Super hot drop right here. The drop of the people who don't feel like waiting to drop. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, okay, hold on. I have an idea. I'm gonna land. Where am I gonna land at? Yo, these boxes are trash. Dude, no, 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 no. No, why did I land you, dude? Oh my god. Okay, I have to erase everyone. I have to erase everyone. This is like a hot drop. This is like the Pachinki of Block City Wars. What is this? Oh my god. Okay, get this. Yo, this is so bad. Yo, what are these guns? Oh my god. I'm in rush mode. It's try hard mode. First guy I see. Deleted. Oh, walks around corner. Gets a race. I'm too lazy to actively open these. Give me my armor, boy. Bro, why is this place so trash? Oh my god. Oh, I hear a guy. He better not have an alien gun or something, dude. I swear to god. This is about to be stupid. This is about to be the dumbest thing in the world, I swear to god. Nope. Sir. Oh god. Sir. Get wrecked. Play zone's wrecking me now. Oh wow. Instant karma. Alright, we gotta go. This is why I kinda didn't want to land here. It's like the one reason why. The zone was gonna just slap us all. I think this is how most of the map dies. When you're good at a hot drop, they have to kill you. Just by law. There's no cars either. That makes it like just unbelievably painful. Oh man, there's no vehicles, there's no jetpacks. I am done for. GG. Armor. Please, please, please. Protect me, armor, please. Oh my god. Nope. Weapons. Weapons, why? The time I needed weapons was in the city. I don't need weapons anymore. Oh my god, I can make it, I can make it, I can make it. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I ran past that bus. I thought the zone stopped. No, 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 no. Oh my god, this is so bad, dude. Oh my god. And GG. GG. Oh my god. Died to the play zone. Never landing there again, okay? I promise. Never again in my life. Alright, let's go. One more match. gosh, these landing spots. This is exactly the one reason why I don't go anywhere but alien spot. Alright, alien spot's closer. Let's go here this time. I never go here more than 2 times a video because it's super overpowered. But we're gonna do it the final time. Just this once. Because those 2 last matches. Well, no, military base wasn't a fail, but like zombie rush. Old school, old city. Oh man, that was terrible. The zone, come on, like. Oh god, see these weapons? That's what I'm talking about right there. When your teammate steals your loot, like, come on now. Like, oh my god. Nope, you better not touch this barrel or I'll personally kill you myself. Give me this loot. Alright, that's all I need. My good sir. Let's find these good weapons. Teammates usually stick with me, but like they get run over or something, so it's pretty painful to have a teammate sometimes. It's pretty painful. But at least he has weapons, so you know. Hopefully he does not die like all the other teammates. That's why I was playing this in like a Discord call with a friend, because it's faster. And they don't die. Sir, what are you doing? Sir, what are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna push into the city by myself, I guess. At least the other ones have my back. At least the other random teammates have my back. I don't know what this guy's doing. Alright, let's push in solo. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Nope, not even gonna do it. Nope. Backlash weaponry, nope. Couldn't be me using backlash weaponry right now. Just no. Could not be me. That guy doing? What in the universe, dude? What? Okay. Wait, watch your back. He's not running me over, that's for sure. Alright, let's see here. There was a guy back here. Nope, he's gone. Okay then, I guess everyone's gone. Okay. I'm not trying to get shot in the back here. Where's my teammate at, dude? Like, I don't know. Teammates never listen. I'm just not trying to get shot in the back here, that's it. It's literally that simple, I mean. Sir. Wait, guy? No siree. Could not be me you're shooting in the back. I'm gonna push this guy right here. They're going crazy right now. Probably should do a 1 weapon only gameplay. Like 1 weak weapon only. Oh my god, no. God, please no. It'd be the most painful gameplay ever. I'm hearing a lot of people die right now, and they sound close. Strange. Anyways, I'm gonna move on. Nope, they were all right here. Okay. Let me just run across this real quick. Bruh moment, time to get this guy. He has a jetpack, of course. Alright, well, if we're gonna catch up with this guy, we have to cut him off at the side. Otherwise, there's gonna be an array of problems, considering he has a jetpack. He can just fly up and literally delete us. So we gotta move to the side here. Nope, he saw me. It's over. Unless... What's he gonna do? What is he gonna do? Don't run me over with the book. Don't do it. God, please no. Please no. Don't do it. Oh my goodness. Is he... No, he's just going for the airdrop. Okay. Bruh moment. Bruh moment. Is this guy dumb? Sir, sir. Sir. It's a 1v1v1. I am going to get on this boat and I am going to delete you, sir. He had the chance. I'm waiting on him to come up. Ooh, this is literally my loadout right now. Just gonna refresh all my guns just in case. Oh my god. He actually got me at the same time. Wow. That was oh wait, I still won because I killed him. Wait, so why did I die? Okay. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one because Blocks to do is better out. Makes no sense. Next up, Zombie Rush. And yeah, guys. Oh my god.